Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel Longoloza Production Studio. Okay, today I'm posting a video UKZN funny prank. Okay, I hope you will enjoy it. But first, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification bell. Right? I'm waiting for you guys. Subscribe. Okay, enjoy the following video. Thank you.
Hi guys. Yes, I'm fine. Sorry to disturb you.
Yeah.
Are you busy?
Watching videos?
Watching video? Oh, yes, great. No, I was watching you. You're really cute.
Oh, thank
sorry.
you.
Okay.
I'm not interested in anything. Thanks.
Serious?
Yes.
No, you're beautiful.
Thanks.
But
I'm not interested in it.
Oh my God!
why not?
Why not?
Yeah.
Because I'm not interested in it.
Oh, Elisha, we're like.
That's an answer you're gonna get.
It's the best you
But
can
I
get,
love
sorry.
you.
No.
No, you don't even know
Easy,
me.
Chief. Take it easy.
Okay. At least may I have a number?
No,
No.
sorry.
How? Come on, please.
No, sorry.
Start with 0, right?
Why don't you give me your number, and if I'm interested, I'll contact you.
Serious?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, okay. You're really beautiful.
Thanks, but I'm really not interested in anything. Your number is?
Hi guys. Hi. I'm fine. I'm sorry to disturb you. Can I have your number, please?
She's my girlfriend, so
Oh, no problem. I just want to chat with her.
I'm very jealous.
Very jealous?
Yeah, I don't know why, I'm just like that.
But she's beautiful.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
We've been together, I think like from 2018.
2019.
2018.
2018.
Yeah, we're from the same high school.
Oh.
So,
He doesn't want to know how you look.
Yeah.
oh,
Sorry, I just want her number only.
No, he's taken. Yeah, you can have his number. She's taken.
Can I have your number, please?
No.
Why not? Come on,
so
so.
many girls here.
Yeah?
So many girls here.
Yeah, I know, but I want her.
How many chances is your name Kyle?
Sorry?
Because Karina and Kyle's.
Oh, my name is Lucky.
Okay,
Mine is gone.
Come on, man.
You make it awkward.
her brother is. Yeah.
So you don't want
That's
to
my
give me?
brother.
Oh, your brother. Oh,
Now you should.
yeah.
You're not
So,
gonna get mad.
so can I have a number?
No.
No, we're going to study for a test. Seriously.
Oh. Okay. Oh, Instagram page.
But if you want, you can teach us quantity.
That's very easy. Oh.
Hi guys, how are you? My name is Simphiwe. I think I saw you in my class. What class were you attending at? It's 8:45. Did you attend a class?
I didn't have a class.
Didn't have a class? I think I saw you in my class. I'm sorry if it's gonna sound rude, but can I have your number? I just don't know.
Who dared you to do this?
Sorry?
Who dared you to do this?
Nobody says. Yeah. Can I please? Are you guys dating? Oh, I'm so sorry for that. At least Instagram Do you have Instagram?
I have Instagram. I don't have any.
Okay. No, actually I was joking, man. It's just a prank. There's a video.
Oh my god!
Yeah. I was.
Yeah.
She's not really my girlfriend.
And that's not her brother.
Oh yeah. I was joking, guys. It's just a prank. There's a guy taking a video here.
I can say
Oh, I
Reaction video. Yeah.
I'm basically giving you content then. Basically giving you content.
Yeah. It's just a prank.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because that's just it. I'm sorry to be rude. We're actually doing a YouTube video, just a prank. I'm just doing a YouTube video, just a prank. So can we use?
That's why I asked you who did you.
So,
Abusingilinde lapho mfethu ngila endleleni mfethu. Abuthi kamakhabane ngizobe sengilapho nje manje mfethu. Ondoda.
sure. Yeah, good. Angeze makabane bethu. Ungithelile nje. Alright.